Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, new week has already started and behalf of that, let's see what guidance are we getting, and we will be seeing via tarot, and also we will be seeing angels guidance for the same. So let's start. So here's the first card, Beyond Illusion. And with this card, what very first thing I saw is the butterfly, which shows about changes, transformation, big changes and transformation in your life. For that, you need to tap into your intuition, into your third eye. Some things happening in your life on surface level, you are just thinking very normally, like this might be the thing, that might be the thing, but beyond illusion it clearly says this is something that you cannot even imagine. It's not just like beyond what are you thinking, what are you assuming. It is beyond that. And once you acknowledge it, once you try to know it, that okay, this might be also the thing, okay, this is also there, this is something new to me, only then there will be a transformation in your life taking place. You need to have a clarity, I would say, and then there will be changes in your life. Healing. So some of you need healings now. This can be with respect to any area of life, or maybe this can be with respect to your health. And looking these hands here on the stomach and on here on the face, I would say please take care of your mental health. And related to stomach, if you're having any issues, or please take care of it. This is what I would say. Also, what I feel over here is you need to work on your heart chakra. You can chant the Bij mantra Yam, focusing on the middle of your chest, imagining a green light where the heart chakra is located. Okay, and this is how you can heal yourself. Compromise. So if you are stuck in any situation or anything, and if you are very much being very stubborn, so with this card I feel you need to take few steps back. It will really help you in some or the other way. Also with this card I feel there needs to be a balance with respect to something which is imbalanced. This is also I feel that maybe maybe uh, something. Now this can be with respect to any person, some people, or in your work, that you are giving more but you're getting less, or vice versa. So there needs to be a balance. Another thing that I'm sensing it over here. Possibilities. So guys, you may come across some options. You may come across an energy where you might get confused that what can be the thing, this or that. So but I would say with this card that please go deep within that particular thing. Just don't look at the surface level and make any decision or assumption or come up to any conclusion. This is what I would say. Understanding. Very clearly I feel that guys, you are not acknowledging your emotions. You have literally caged it. Please don't do that. Please acknowledge your emotions. Try to understand your emotions. Do not ignore it, because now you're doing it for some or the other thing, maybe for pleasing others, for making others happy and all this stuff. Or maybe wherever you are, maybe you are feeling, oh, this is such an wish fulfillment for me. But what about your emotions? Emotionally you're not happy, your emotions aren't satisfied. They're telling you that this is not where you have to be. So please acknowledge it, because one or the other day there will be such a blast of your emotion, then it will be too much, you know I would say, bad for you. It may affect your health. Also it may create, slowly and gradually, such a thing will create heart chakra blockage. And let me tell you one thing, that once a heart chakra is blocked, everything is blocked. We do not attract good opportunities, good people in our life. Just keep this in mind and do not ignore your emotions. Let your emotions set free. You need to integrate few things with respect to your life. This is what I clearly see with this card, and with this yin yang picture present in the card, I'm clearly sensing that you need to balance your feminine masculine energies, which will help you in your life with respect to, make a balance, that where you have to be loving, careful, and everything emotional, and where you have to be practical, logical, and where you need to take exact action what. So please work on it, integrate it and work on it. The dream. So, guys, with this card, I feel that for some of you, maybe some of your past person, now this can be in any area of life, a friend, a relative, a close one, your lover, or anybody. Maybe you are in there, you something may happen that you will go in their memories, or maybe they are remembering you, or maybe they may come and contact you. This is what I see. Or they may come in your dreams, as the message suggests, and you may become emotional. So be ready. This is what I would say. But very for few of them, I feel that some of you may come across some union reconciliation, or you have a dream. This is what I see, and especially here I see a lady sitting and she is like dreaming about it. So yeah, someone who is in a lot dominant feminine energy is thinking about this. Maybe they want to settle or something. So that's the thing. You may feel that no one is understanding you, nobody's there to listen to you, nobody's trying to listen to your side. But let me tell you one thing, this is just a feeling, and you might feel that you're an outsider. But guys, you can see there is a lock over here. Club, like, very, and it is just a lock, the door is not even locked, just it is kept like this. If you try to open these all, thing, and you keep aside, this door is opening. So there is an option out there where you can put your point, your whatever, your views, or anything whatever it is with respect to. But don't be in this energy, guys. Now let's see what guidance angels are giving for this new week. Okay, so here's the card, and the card is of Archangel Faith. With faith, you are invisible. Believe in yourself. Very clear cut message. That trust yourself, believe in yourself, always be confident. This is what I would say with respect to yourself. Because if you believe in yourself, you can reach up to heights. No one can stop you. So do claim this energy and do acknowledge this message. Thank you.